So, you've heard about Spocket, right? The trendy dropshipping platform promising a world of product possibilities. But here's the burning question: does Spocket ship to Nigeria? Before we dive into the answer, let's quickly recap what Spocket is. It's a platform that connects you, the online entrepreneur, with suppliers worldwide. This way, you can sell products without the hassle of storing or shipping them yourself. Sounds pretty sweet, doesn't it? Now, back to the main question. Unfortunately, as of now, Spocket doesn't directly ship to Nigeria. This means you can't use Spocket to fulfill orders directly to Nigerian customers. Why not Nigeria? You might be wondering, why not Nigeria? A country with a booming e-commerce market, right? Well, several factors could be influencing this decision. Logistics challenges. Shipping to Nigeria can be complex due to various logistical hurdles, including customs clearance, inefficient postal services, and a lack of reliable shipping infrastructure. Payment gateway restrictions. Some payment gateways used by Spocket might not be accessible in Nigeria. This can limit the options for customers to pay for products. Market maturity. While Nigeria's e-commerce market is growing rapidly, it's still relatively new compared to more established markets. This might influence the decision-making process for platforms like Spocket. Workarounds and alternatives. So, what are your options if you're a Nigerian entrepreneur looking to leverage dropshipping? Explore other dropshipping platforms. There are several other dropshipping platforms that might offer shipping to Nigeria. Do your research to find one that suits your needs. Partner with a Nigerian fulfillment center. Consider partnering with a fulfillment center based in Nigeria. They can handle the storage, packaging, and shipping of your products to your customers. Source products locally. If possible, source products locally in Nigeria. This way, you can avoid international shipping complications and fulfill orders more efficiently. While Spocket isn't currently shipping to Nigeria, it's essential to stay updated on their policies. As the e-commerce landscape continues to evolve, we may see changes in the future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.